In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change this Samsung's theme. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Themes. Now click on Themes at the bottom left corner and click on one of those right away. Select one of those options, or tap on the search bar at the top and type in wherever you want to. Either way, after tapping on the best theme, hit download at the bottom and select apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, access the same theme settings. But this time click on Menu at the bottom right corner. Then select My Stuff at the top on the left and click on Default Theme under Themes category. Lastly, select Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!